Today news highlight from SNH from Lyon, France. The ninth edition of Operation Pandora, an international operation targeting the trafficking of cultural goods, has led to 80 arrests and the seizure of 37,727 items including archaeological pieces, artworks, coins and musical instruments. Codenamed Pandora IX and carried out throughout 2024, the operation involved law enforcement and customs authorities from 23 countries. It was coordinated by Spain, Guardia Civil, with operational support from Europol, Interpol and the WCO through its Regional Intelligence Liaison Office for Eastern and Central Europe. Authorities also confiscated 69 metal detectors and 23 tools commonly used for illegal excavations, underlining the persistent threat of looting to cultural sites. In total, 258 cases were reported by the participating countries. Many investigations are still ongoing, with further arrests and seizures expected. The Italian Carabinieri Command for the Protection of Cultural Heritage, TPC, in coordination with the Italian Customs and Monopolies Agency, ADM, seized a painting attributed to renowned artist Janus Cornelis during a joint border operation. Upon inspection, it was determined to be inauthentic. Had it been genuine, its estimated value would have been around 100,000 euros. In a separate investigation, the Carabinieri TPC seized more than 300 items, including coins, metal and ceramic fragments such as arrowheads and spearheads dating back to the Roman and Punic periods. These artifacts were being offered for sale on e-commerce platforms and were discovered in a private apartment. In addition to on-the-ground actions, dedicated cyber patrols were carried out during the operation to identify potential illicit online sales of cultural property. These virtual investigations led to the opening of new cases, demonstrating how digital platforms are quickly becoming a channel of choice by traffickers to market and sell looted artifacts. A total of 4,298 cultural goods were seized as a result of the cyber patrols. Thank you for watching SNH. Do you like it? Could you please share to your circle?